Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a luxurious skincare product that promises to tackle wrinkles, fine lines, and skin firmness. The Shiseido Bioperformance Skin Filler Serums. This two-step system is designed with both a night and day formula to give your skin a firmer, plumper look, and we're going to see if it lives up to those claims. Let's get right into it. The Shiseido Bioperformance Skin Filler Serums come with two separate formulas, one for the day and one for the night. Both of these are designed to target the visible signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles, while improving the overall firmness of your skin. The night serum focuses on nourishing the skin during rest, while the day serum is formulated to provide continuous hydration and protection. The key ingredient here is hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain moisture and help plump the skin, giving it that youthful, dewy appearance. Additionally, the scent of aloe vera gives these serums a light, refreshing fragrance that's soothing rather than overpowering. When I first tried these serums, the texture really stood out. The night serum has a richer, more emollient feel, which made my skin feel deeply hydrated by the time I woke up. The day serum, on the other hand, is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for layering under makeup without leaving any greasy residue. I applied both as directed, using the day formula in the morning and the night formula before bed, and both were easy to incorporate into my routine. There was no irritation or breakouts, and my skin felt smooth after each application. Now let's talk about performance. After using these serums consistently for a few weeks, I noticed my skin feeling firmer, particularly around my jawline and cheeks. Fine lines around my eyes also seemed to soften, though the changes weren't drastic. If you're looking for something that will give you instant results, you might not get that with this product. However, over time, I did see a noticeable improvement in my skin's overall texture and plumpness. One of the standout features is the hydrating effect. Both formulas really lock in moisture, and I didn't have to reapply throughout the day, something I appreciate with my busy routine. The main downside I found was the price point. While the product is high quality, it's definitely on the pricier side. So if you're on a tighter budget, this might be a splurge rather than a necessity. Pros: the serums are incredibly hydrating. They give a noticeable plumpness to the skin, and they feel luxurious to use. The aloe vera scent is light and refreshing, and the packaging is sleek and sophisticated. The downside? The price. It's definitely an investment, and unless you're truly committed to anti-aging products, it could be a bit much. In terms of value for money, I'd say that if you're looking for a high-end anti-aging solution and you don't mind the cost, this is a solid choice. It delivers good results over time, especially for skin firming and hydration. But if you're not ready to invest, there are more affordable alternatives that offer similar benefits, particularly when it comes to hydration with hyaluronic acid. I didn't have any experience with Shiseido's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation for quality products and customer support, so I'd expect any inquiries to be handled professionally. As for alternatives, you could look into more budget-friendly options like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum or the Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. Both offer impressive hydration and skin plumping benefits without the hefty price tag. So, what's the final verdict on Shiseido Bioperformance Skin Filler Serums? If you're a skincare enthusiast looking for a luxurious two-step routine to fight signs of aging, I think you'll really appreciate what these serums bring to the table. They offer hydration, plumpness, and a firmer look, but they come at a premium price. For those on a budget, I'd suggest considering alternatives that still provide similar benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a comment below if you've tried this product or have any other favorites that target aging skin. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.